Hi, my name is Lohit and let's start this introduction video where I'll be explaining what this YouTube channel is about, what is the motive behind starting this channel, and what kind of videos will be uploaded on this channel. Who am I? What am I doing here? My neighbor likes to cook a lot, so ignore the whistle. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I wanted to start this YouTube channel 3-4 years back, but I could not do that because of some reasons. But I did have a lot of ideas for this YouTube channel, and due to the recent pandemic, I got a lot of time, and I thought I would start this YouTube channel finally. So let me explain first of all who am I and what do I do. I am Lohit Bolineni, and I am a designer, a video editor, a published author, and a developer. And recently I started a podcast too. I'll leave the link for that in the description. You can go and listen to that. I do a lot of things because I'm really interested in them, and I wanted to start this YouTube channel to share a lot of things, and I'll be listing them out. So the first one, to be honest, I wanted to start a channel where I can express myself. I have a lot of things that keep running on my mind, so I thought through a YouTube channel I can explain to people what those thoughts are that are running on my mind. The reason behind that is when I have such thoughts, I Google them and find if there are people who have similar thoughts or who have similar kind of thinking or similar kind of ideas that I have. So I thought maybe through this YouTube channel, when I express my ideas, somebody out there who also has same thoughts or who also thinks in the same way, that they can reflect with me, reflect with my thoughts, and reach out to me so that I can talk to them. So yeah, I wanted to start a YouTube channel for that, where I'll be explaining the thoughts that keep popping up on my mind, or the ideas, the things, the observations that keep running on my mind. And the second thing is I wanted to become a travel YouTuber. Now I hope a lot of people like travel, I suppose. At least I love travel. I love making videos, and I love editing videos. So I thought when I travel to some place, I can shoot those videos. In fact, even in the last 3 or 5 years, I have traveled to a lot of places, and I have shot a lot of videos in the hope that I'll start a YouTube channel. But it didn't happen, and now it's happening, but I'm not sure if I'll publish those old videos. Anyway, in future, if I'll be traveling after the corona, of course, if I'll be traveling, I'll definitely be making videos of my travel story, and I'll be publishing those videos on this YouTube channel. The third reason is I wanted to start podcasts. Back when I was in college, I had no idea what podcasts were. I mean, I did hear the word podcast, but I never understood what it really was. I really love talking to people. I really love people who have some great ideas or who are really passionately working towards something. Like I can engage in a conversation with them for a long time. Recently, during the pandemic, I came across a lot of such people. Talking to them really inspires me and engages me. So yeah, that is the third reason of starting this YouTube channel, podcasts or interviews. I wanted to do interviews, so I thought on through this YouTube channel I can do a few interviews and publish them. Okay, so number four. As I said, I'm a designer, video editor, etc. etc. So I'll be sharing insights from my experience I have about different fields that I worked on. I don't say that I'm expert to share this kind of knowledge, but it's a learning process. Reason number five. Reason number five is similar to reason number four, but I will be talking about the work experience. Like I have done internships with different organizations, and I have worked part time or full time with a few companies or a few organizations in different fields. I'll be talking about my internships, I'll be talking about the organizations that I worked in, I'll be talking about my clients, I'll be talking about the experiences I had with my clients. Okay, reason number six. I like blogging. I'll be sharing vlogs. I'll be shooting and uploading vlogs on this YouTube channel. And reason number seven. On the internet, I generally see a lot of people doing a lot of videos, funny videos. Since I am a video editor, I usually have this urge to do that. So since I have this YouTube channel, I'll be sharing some funny videos that I find on the internet and try to do something and upload them. Miscellaneous, you can say miscellaneous. The other kind of videos which are random. I'll be uploading those kind of videos. I'll be recommending a lot of things related to a lot of subjects. So I'll be sharing that also. So yeah, that also is a part of this series. Those are the 7 reasons I had when I wanted to start this YouTube channel. I'll try to be regular and I'll try to upload as many videos as I can, because that's the whole point of a YouTube channel. For now, this is it. Thank you for watching. Please like,